Welcome students. As we have discussed in the previous video, this topic percentage is very important for all of the competitive examinations like railway, banking, clerical and PO, staff selection commission, civil service examination, public service commission examination, etc. Okay, so in this video we are going to start this topic from a very basic concept so that we could understand the basic, then only we'll be able to solve some difficult problems. So here question is, evaluate 8% of 25 plus 30% of 250. Let us see the solution here. Here 8% of 25. Wherever we see this sign, this notation percent, it means 100th part. So 8% means 100th part of 8. So we will write here, this is 8 by 100 and of means multiplication. So 8 by 100 into 25. Then next is 30% of 250. So similarly this will be 30 by 100 into 250. Now we have to simplify it, we will get the result. So 25 4 the 100, 4 2 the 8. Here this 0 will cancel, again this 0 will be cancelled. So we are getting here, this is equal to 2 and plus 3 into 25, that is 75. So finally here we are getting the answer 77. Very simple question. And in the next video we will see some very important question. So remain in touch with these videos and enjoy learning mathematics. And students, hope you might have subscribed this channel. If not, please do it immediately so that you could get notification of all videos to come and we could learn mathematics very well. Thank you very much.